Effective web design, 10 simple steps. Many websites can fail to make an impact on their audience because they don't have effective web design. The ability to create an effective website which stands out and captures people's attention is no easy feat. At AIM Internet, we pride ourselves on our engaging and eye-catching web design, and in general, people browsing the web will make a decision about our website within seconds. And that's why it's essential to make a punchy first impression which will pique the browser's interest. Orson Welles said, "Create your own visual style and let it be unique for yourself and yet identifiable for others." He was right. Number 1 is function. It should be evident to the user as soon as they enter the site what the function of it is. Is it informative, entertaining or interactive? Number 2, the content. It's vital to make your point quickly and clearly, and a good way to think of effective website content is it's like a tabloid newspaper. A large, punchy heading, an enticing subheading, and detail with the main body of the text. Bullet points are also a great tool instead of using long-winded sentences. Number 3, the font. Good web design should ensure the content is easy to read. It's important that the font used within the website is simple and clear. The text shouldn't be too small and it should be fairly spacious. Number 4, colours. Ensure that the colours used within the site are used in a professional manner. Bright colours are a great way of drawing attention to the important aspects of the website, such as hyperlinks and calls to action. It is also important to remember effective web designs are not too crowded. Don't be afraid to leave white empty space within your website. Number 5, images. Images are a massive part of any web design, increasingly so. Without them, it's very easy to lose the interest and attention of users. And you must ensure that the images used within the website are relevant and of high quality. Ask any editor in any newspaper, any magazine in history. Number 6, hyperlinks. A website should be easy to navigate and logical. Ideally, the user should be able to get anywhere within the website in just 3 clicks. Less if possible. Number 7 is the layout, and the layout of a website should be structured in a way which is balanced. Most websites follow a grid or a table format. Number 8, the focal point. Traditionally, the main focus of someone browsing a website is the top left. Because of this, the most effective web designs follow the F pattern. And this is where the most important information is featured, the top left of the page, then the middle of the page, and then the least important information is on the right or the bottom right of the page. Number 9, speed. No one likes to wait for a web page to load. The speed of a website's load time, consider resizing and rescaling large images or saving them in more efficient formats. That leads into number 10, mobile friendly. Nowadays people don't solely use their desktops or laptops to access the internet. It's all about mobile, and therefore it's important to consider how user friendly your website is on tablets and mobile devices. To find out more about effective web design and online marketing, call me on the number below or email me on the email below. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe and share, and join me in my next video. And thanks for watching.